Hi, welcome back to all. Today I'll discuss some new topics in Cypress, the file, how we can upload the file in Cypress, and these are the we have the two methods to do this, and we also verify how you can rename the file, that particular file while uploading. So we have three test cases. One is suit for file upload and how you can rename your file. And last one is with the help of drag and drop, you can upload your file. So what we'll do, I have already set the base URL. So we will work on the webuniversity.com. That is a that is a demo website available, freely available. So first of all, if you have to upload the file, you have to install the plugin for the Cypress. So what is the command for that? Command is npm install hyphen save dev cypress hyphen file hyphen upload. Okay, so this is the command for the installation of plugin. You have to install that plugin, and after that you have to import this file into the head of your test case. So what you have to import? You have to import simply import in double quotes Cypress file upload. Fine. So first step is you have to run this command to install the plugin, because Cypress cannot upload file by default. You have to use the plugins. So npm install hyphen save hyphen dev cypress file upload. This is the command to install the plugin. Then you have to import this file onto your head of the test files. And then what we will do, firstly we have visited the site. So I have taken the WebDriver IO site. In E2E you can see sorry, in config dot you can see the I have set the base URL as I discuss in my folder structure, how you can set your base URL in config.js file. So now we will do file upload. So first of all you have to reach to this file. We already done with this. So file upload option is in file upload option. This is the file upload option. So we will get this locator. We will get this locator by the this is the we can take the ID, copy, and guys we have to also handle the child window in this, because if we will click on this, it will open in another page. So we have to also face this. We have to control the child window. So for that, what we'll do, cy.get locator of that element dot invoke. You can see in my previous video that how you can handle the child windows. So remove attribute name is target. Then you have to Click on that. Okay, right. Now what we have to do is we have to do cy dot get. Now we will find the this element. After clicking this element, you have to you have to just upload the file. So you have to take the element of this button. You have to find the locator of this element. So id is here, copy, and one you get it. So now we have also a we can now we will use the method dot attach file. Now before attach file, what you have to do is whatever the file you have to upload, you have to keep that file in your fixer folder. So for this, what we will do, I have I have these two files, so I'll copy it and I'll place it into my fixer folder. Okay, so now you can see in fixers, yes, these two files are sitting here. So in this, we will just provide the our file name. That is, if I say if I have to upload test.pdf. Okay, and after that we will wait for 3 milliseconds. It is optional. I'm just putting because you can see the functionality, total functionality. Now you have to, I guess, there is a button to upload the file. cy.get. Now you will, yes, submit. So you have to find the locator of submit. In submit, type submit. Just take the locator of the submit button, hit here, and just click it. See, click. After click, you have to, you have to assert. You have to assert that your file has been uploaded. So for that, we have to see the functionality that how what assertion you will use. The open, now you submit. Now this is the alert. Now in alert, you have to handle alerts. So there is a method, there is a command that you will get to know this one later. I'll tell you. I'll take a session on alerts. So for now, I'm just putting that. Sorry, alert. I'm just not contain. I have to just take that this message. I have to insert that message because when you upload your file, this message is coming. So now we simply run our test and px cypress run. Px cypress open. Run is for headless mode. So this is our uh, test suite for file upload, single file upload. It is taking time. No issues. File upload. Visit the site. Handle the child window. File choose. Wait, and after that it will submit assertion passed. So your first test case has been passed. Okay, okay. Wait a minute. I just put it here. Dot only. Right. Now we'll see. It is taking another 8 block. So that's it. We have one case, that is verify file uploading. So your first case has been passed. The session has been passed. So now we'll move further for our second case. That is the verify file rename while uploading. So what we'll do, we just copy this all, copy, paste. Here. Not only. Sorry. Yeah. Not only. So in this, what we have to do is we just simply where you are attaching your file, you have to give in this you will pass the parameters. One is file path and what is file name. So in file name, in curly braces, sorry, in curly braces, you will provide the file name. The file name is your original file name. Original file name is if you want to upload this file, or now we take the, if we say test1 dot pdf, okay, in double quotes, test1 dot pdf, after comma, then you have to provide the file name. Here you will pass the file path. This file path is your original file name, and file name is your whatever your desired file name. Uh, let's say rename.pdf. Rename dot. So what we will do, just pass this. We'll just run this case. Now see, you have you have the rename.pdf here. If I run this test again, if I see, you can see the rename. The file name has been changed to test1 to rename. So this is how you can uh, rename your file during upload. Now the last is verify file uploading by drag and drop. So for this you have to do, go to your main page URL. Now where is drag and drop? Drag and drop. I think it is in action. Might be. Yes, action. So what you have to do is you have to simply choose an element from here, action id, copy, cy dot get, simply v. You have to also handle the child window. Handle, you have to handle the child window, remove attribute. Attribute name is target. Okay, then you have to, right? So another is you have to you have handle the child window. Now what you have to do is yes, click. Okay, this is the, now you have to take the locator of this draggable, because this is draggable. When you drag it like this, wait, when you drag this, when you are dragging this and drop this, so it will change its this is, I mean to say, this is your file, and this is your dropped one. This is your draggable and this is your droppable. So we have to take the both elements locator. Now we'll find the locator of both the elements. First of all, we'll take the id draggable. We'll take this copy. Now cy dot get, this is your draggable. Now we'll find the droppable also. Now this is your droppable. We'll find the locator of it. Okay, this something is wrong. So this is the ID. This is the locator of droppable. So what you have to do is, if I will store it into the, let's say, in a variable, this is draggable. Let yes, we can say drop. This is, I guess, yes, draggable. You can drag it. This draggable is equal to this, and now you can say this is left droppable. Droppable is equal to this. So what we have to what we have taken the draggable and droppable elements and stored it into the variable. Now what we will do, what we have to do is, now draggable dot, now we have cypress provide us a trigger method. In trigger method, you can do, what we have to do is mouse down means you will, how mouse down will work. Mouse down means, sorry, mouse down is like you are placing your mouse here to here. Okay, so you are placing your mouse down here, your draggable item. Okay, then you will move it. Mouse down to, and in curly braces, which which column one is mouse right, mouse left click. Okay, not yes, mouse left click. So one means left click, which, so you have mouse and click onto the you click onto the button, so it will just take that element. And now in next you have to do is draggable. sorry, droppable dot droppable dot. For this we will use our trigger method also. Now you have mouse down. Now you have to what? You have to do the mouse up, because once you will one second, once you will mouse up, mouse up. Once you will pick this, once you will once you will pick this element. Okay, now you will draw it. So what you have to do is you have mouse up. Mouse means mouse up. You are up. You are upping the mouse, or you can say you are removing mouse from here and taking towards the mouse move. You are moving the mouse. So what we have to also dot trigger. You are also moving the mouse from here. So you will say mouse move, mouse move, mouse move. Okay. So now what we will say now, cy dot wait, cy dot wait. We will wait here and for 3 seconds. Now what would you say? Droppable, droppable. Now you will have to just we will assert that whatever the function, if we have passed this or not. Okay, we will assert later. First of all, we will run this. If I say only paste, enter the child window, and this is done. You can see now as once again we start. So you can see as your draggable item go to the droppable item, so it will generate a message dropped, so you can assert that message also. So for this assertion, what we will use, we'll go to this, find the this element. Wait a minute, why it is not taking? Okay, now we'll assert that. Now we'll take this element, background style, weight, ID droppable. Okay, so what we will do, uh, we simply say the droppable, droppable not should contain, what is the text? Dropped, drop. That's it. We'll pass our assertion. Wait, wait. Assertion is passed, and your test case is passed. So how this is how you can upload a file with drag and drop. And I repeat once again, only for the drag and drop, you have to just you will drag, you have the drag element and droppable element. So in drag element you have to just, like I said you a mouse down, so mouse will do do his work, and it will just left click onto the draggable item and droppable. You once the item is dropped, so it will mouse up and it will move. Mouse will move. So here I have here I have taken a assertion, that assertion part. So that's it, guys. I hope this video will be useful and informative to you. Thank you.